Good morning, friends. In this video, we are going to see about Prasna, which happened in minutes or hours. So already you have seen one Prasna in this category. This is the second Prasna. So now, viewers who are watching this video who are not subscribed can subscribe to this channel and also press the bell button and also select all notifications so that you will get notified whenever we post videos. So now going to the video, we have been recording this video and sending to a person. He is editing it and sending us back. So one day he told tomorrow morning he will send the video, but he has not sent. So time was 7:30, 7:45. So the question was raised when he will send the video. This is the background of this Prasna. Actually in Tamil the question format was different. எனக்கு எப்பொழுது வீடியோ வரும், which means the word I is appearing first, me, when I will receive the video. So now you have to calculate Lagna. So this question was asked on 6/4/2020, 7:56 a.m. So calculating Lagna, it is Aries 21 degrees. So we have 7 steps of analyzing a Prasna. So the first step is natural zodiac. So here when I will receive the video, the question is about self, I. So as per natural zodiac, Lagna is Aries. That is the first house. First house always represent self. So question is reflected in natural zodiac. Second step, Lagna and Lagna Nakshatra should indicate the question. Here it is Mars and Venus. Mars is the lord of 1 and 8 in 10. Venus is the lord of 2 and 7 in 2. So there was some doubt, delay regarding this video, which is one of the profession. So 8 and 10 is indicated, and also I will receive is acquiring, getting, which is second house. Venus is representing second house, and also one of the Karaka planet for the video, Venus and Rahu. So that is also appearing. So in the second step also the question is clearly indicated. So now third step is moon should reflect the question. So here moon is the lord of 4 in 5. Fifth is astrology, fourth is education. So here also question is clearly indicated. So moon constellation and the planet aspecting, Jupiter aspecting, that and all the similar steps. So here the question is indicated in the third step also. Now fourth step, we have to check whether we should proceed for the Prasna. There should be a connection between Lagna star lord and 311 lords. Here the Lagna is Mars and Venus, the Lagna Nakshatra, and 311 is Mercury and Saturn. So here Lagna star Venus is placed in Sun constellation, and also 11th lord Saturn is placed in Sun constellation. So there is a connection established between Lagna star lord and 311 lords indirectly through nakshatras, constellation. So there is a connection and we can proceed for the Prasna. Now fourth step is also clear, we can proceed to the Prasna. Now fifth step, relative distance between Lagna lord and Lagna star lord. Here it is 5/9. 5/9 means abnormal delay or the event will not happen. So here we will take abnormal delay. In the next step we will clarify why it will happen definitely. Now sixth step, because we are getting two types of answer, so we are taking abnormal delay or the event will not happen. We are taking abnormal delay because we have already analyzed, so we are saying abnormal delay. That will come under the sixth step. Here in sixth step, third lord is placed in 11th house, so our expectation will be profitable. That is one reason why the event will happen definitely. Next, Rahu is one of the Karaka planet for this question. We are expecting the video. Expectation is third house. The Karaka planet is placed in the Karaka house, so which is very strong and sure the event is going to happen. So now we have to find out when. Here we have shown abnormal delay, but in the previous video we have seen whenever Lagna lord or Karaka planet is placed in second house to Sun, the event will happen immediately. So this abnormal delay will be minimized to delay. So it will not take evening or night for him. It will take few hours to send the video. So that is the observation. So now up to the sixth step we have finalized that you will get the video and there won't be any abnormal delay, but there will be a delay. So which means this question is raised in 7:56. You will not get in 8 or 8:30 or 9. It will take further some. There will be some further delay, but minor delay. So now seventh step, timing of event. Here the question is about self, when I will receive the video. So we can take Lagna and directly answer the question. So here the Lagna is Aries, third lord is Mercury, and 11th lord is Saturn. All of these things we have mentioned above. Now no planets are placed in the constellation of Mars and Saturn. In Mercury, Sun and Rahu are placed. So Sun we can eliminate directly because it is placed in 12th house. Remaining we are left out with Mercury, Rahu, Mars and Saturn. Here Mars and Saturn are placed along with Jupiter, which is the 12th lord, but Mercury, third lord, is placed in 11th house, and Karaka planet is placed in the Karaka house, which is Rahu. So Mercury and Rahu are relatively stronger than Mars and Jupiter. So all cases will not take like this. In this Prashna, the Karaka planet and also third lord are stronger, relatively stronger when compared to Mars and Saturn. So we are taking Mercury and Rahu. So now we have to move the Lagna to Mercury, Rahu. Rahu is very powerful because the Karaka planet placed in Karaka house, which makes it very strong. So that is capable of giving the answer. So now Mercury and Rahu are the key planets in this Prashna. So in this 6:32 Pisces will be over, 8:32 Aries will be over, 10:32 Rishabha will be over, and in Gemini from first 7 degrees, approximately 6:40 means 7 degrees. First 7 degrees will be Mars Nakshatra. 7 degrees means 28 minutes. Adding 28 to 10:32 will get 11. So up to 11 it will be Mars Nakshatra. Now from 11 to 11:08 Rahu Upagraha. For planets having larger dasa, the degree is 2. 2 degree means 8 minutes. So 11 to 11:08 the Lagna will be moving in Mercury Lagna, Rahu star and Rahu Upagraha. Since Rahu is very strong, that is appearing as Upagraha, and Mercury is appearing as Lagna Lord, and Star Lord is also Rahu. So the event will happen during this time. So the video was received on 11:03 AM. So like this, for minor events we can predict. So here the objective is, as we have promised, we will be posting 100 prasnas in 2 categories of prasna, total 200 prasnas. After this, every GMP student will be analyzing the prasna same and also try to arrive at the answer accurately. If not accurately, close to the answer. So by your continuous practice, we can reach to the accuracy level. So that is the objective and that is the desire of Guruji also. So we have taken this initiative to post the videos with live examples. So as the day progresses, we will come to know we can analyze the prasana easily and accurately through GMP method. Now, whenever you have doubts, you can post in the comment section, which we will reply in 2-3 days, and also you can send in WhatsApp, which we will be answering in the weekends. So those who want to follow us on Twitter can follow us, and also on Instagram you can also follow us. Thanks for your continued support. Take care. Bye.